up, these things started growing out of me. And whenever I try to talk, I just... What is going on?
Morning, kids. Goodness gracious, boy. What's on your face?
I don't know. I just woke up like this.
And me, anytime I try to talk,
Have you guys seen my toothbrush?
Eh?
Yes!
Woke up like this, you say?
You fixed it.
I've seen all I need to. You two have been cursed.
curse? That's a thing here?